Let's check all of the accessories that comes with OnePlus 15. So first of all, I've already removed the protective stickers so we can instantly open this box. And first thing we'll see is a cardboard which probably contains most of the accessories. Let's put it aside for now. Then we'll be able to find our main device. It's also put in the protective foil, so that way it won't get damaged or scratched during the transport. And now finally, let's access the box with the accessories. So first thing is the charging cable, which is USB standard to USB-C. Then we'll get the instructions. There's warranties, instructions, and the SIM injection tool. And that is basically everything. So you only get a cable, which is worth mentioning, and you don't get a charger or the case with that device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.